Bitcoin started the day trading just above $103,000, pulling back nearly 4% after testing recent highs near $108,800. Despite this dip, institutional buying remains strong, helping to stabilize the market near the $107K mark. The dip appears to be driven in part by renewed geopolitical tensions between Israel and Iran, which are injecting short-term volatility into both crypto and global markets. However, analysts and influencers like Crypto Rover are still bullish, suggesting the recent correction is a setup for another leg upward. Ethereum continues to follow Bitcoin's lead with modest gains, while Cardano, ADA, broke through key resistance and is trading around 65 cents. ADA also saw a surge in on-chain activity, with more than 1.3 million staking addresses, another bullish indicator. Meanwhile, altcoins like Solana and XRP are showing mixed results. Solana has slipped nearly 4%, while XRP is slightly up on the day. Meme and microcap altcoins are generating serious buzz. Influencers in private Telegram groups are quietly accumulating coins like Hype, Pepe, and FPP. Pepe, in particular, is showing a bullish cup formation on the charts, pointing to a potential breakout. At the same time, a new token called Glide is on the verge of launching and already drawing speculative attention for its high volatility potential. Outside influences are also playing a major role. Popular traders like ALTCOIN Gordon are calling this the early phase of a mega bull market, pointing to Bitcoin and Ethereum as institutional darlings. Crypto Twitter remains a powerful force, not just for sentiment but for early alerts on 100x opportunities in smaller altcoins. Platforms like Kato AI are even tweaking their algorithms to push more quality insights and weed out spam, further shaping how and where the market gets its information. On the regulatory front, Tron founder Justin Sun is planning to take Tron public via a reverse merger, backed by a $100 million token commitment. Meanwhile, the U.S. Senate is set to pass a major crypto bill, the Genius Act, which will regulate stablecoins and digital asset custody, but strategically avoids mentioning Trump's crypto-related ETF filings. That includes a newly proposed Bitcoin-Ethereum ETF backed by Trump Media and powered by Crypto.com as the liquidity provider. As we look to the short term, Bitcoin's path appears bullish if it can sustain momentum past the $108K, $110K level. Strong institutional inflows, rising on-chain metrics, and a favorable regulatory climate could push prices higher. Ethereum is expected to trail Bitcoin's moves, while altcoins could see explosive price action, especially those backed by private influencer groups. That said, macro instability and geopolitics could still throw a wrench in the rally, so risk management remains key. In summary, Bitcoin is still in rally mode, Ethereum is stable with upside potential, and altcoins are preparing for a wave of speculative moves. With major players stepping in and influencers driving retail sentiment, the crypto market is poised for a potentially wild but promising week ahead.